Hey guys, so I'm going to show you a quick easy project on how to make a vacuum that uses air so you can vacuum your substrate without having to siphon any water out. So it's very easy. All you need is a little air pump, air line, an air stone, some kind of mesh material. This is pantyhose. I pick it up whenever I see it for 99 cents. And I use it for like my carbon for like little media bags. I'll cut pieces off of it and I can use it for that, but I can also use it for this project. A twist tie or a rubber band and a bottle, water bottle, soda bottle, something. This one I've already cut the bottom off, as you'll do in this project. So you cut the bottom off, and then I'm going to poke a little hole in it just above where I cut it to put the air line in. So let me show you what that looks like. Alright, so I got my hole poked in the bottle and I stuck my air line through it, and then I put my air stone on that. So that's what that looks like. Now the next step is to take the lid off of it, which this one's a little tight, but I'll take the lid off of it, and then I will take this piece of pantyhose and I will put it over the top of the bottle, and then I'll use the twist tie to tie it around the neck, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so I got my pantyhose tied to the end of there. Like I said, you just need any kind of mesh bag or anything. Sometimes you can use like a filter media bag, but like I said, I just use pantyhose. So that's attached onto there, and then all you do from here is we'll put it in a tank. We'll plug our air line into it, and I'll show you how this works. Alright, so we have our air pump plugged in, our air line going to this. So then you just take it, you put it in the water. Let me show you what it looks like. And you use it to siphon the gravel. Now the air pump, the air bubbles are creating a suction in the bottle, which is going up through the pantyhose, and the pantyhose is actually allowing the air to come out at the top there, but it'll catch all the debris. So this is a new tank, so there shouldn't be much debris in here, but we'll see if we can get it to. Yeah, you can see it's kind of picking up some stuff. There you go. You can kind of see it's picking up some of the stuff. But like I said, this is a new tank, so there's not much as far as debris in here. But it does work. I've used this a couple years now, and when you do have a dirty tank, this is a good way to keep it clean in between doing siphons where you're draining out your water. And this drains no water whatsoever, and it's quick, easy, super cheap. You know, I might have $2 wrapped up in all this, and it's reusable. All you got to do is, whenever you're done with it, you can actually see. Let me readjust this. I'm about to drop it. So you can actually see, just in this short little bit of time, even though this is a new tank, look at the debris that it actually picked up. And it's on the pantyhose. It's on the inside there. So it does work. And then simply all you got to do when you're done with this, you pull it out the water, and then you can take the pantyhose off, or whatever you're using up top. You can take it off and rinse it out, and rinse all the dirt out, and then reuse it the next time you need to vacuum out the bottom of your tank. So it's a really neat trick. I like it a lot. Like I said, it really does work, and you can see, even though it's a new tank, it did pick up some debris and works great. You don't have to siphon out your water. You can vacuum in between your water changes. If you do, like me, I don't ever siphon my tanks. I don't clean my gravel when I do my water changes. I mean, I do, but I use one of these to clean it with. I don't use a siphon to clean it with because I don't have a like a python or something. So when I siphon, I gotta siphon it into a bucket and vacuum that way. And then I gotta get rid of the buckets. So I just do this. I take this, I clean the bottom of my tanks, and then I use my pump that I use to do water changes. Once I get the gravel clean, I'll throw the pump in there, pump the water out, pump new water in, and I'm done. That easy. And I really like it because when I'm vacuuming, I don't have to worry about trying to rush while I'm vacuuming because I'm losing water. When you're siphoning, you only have a fine amount of time to vacuum your whole substrate because eventually you're going to run out of water. And most of the time when you do a water change, you don't want to change all the water. You want to do a 20% or 25% or 50%. So in a smaller tank, it can be kind of hard to vacuum all your gravel really good and not go over the amount of water you actually want to change. So with this, you don't have to worry about any of that. You can take as long as you need to vacuum your substrate, and then when you're done, do your water change after that. So hope y'all enjoyed this one. Should have a couple more, you know, little DIY easy projects for you coming up. So check those out. If you get a chance, subscribe. Got a bunch of other videos, check them out. And if you have anything you want to see, let me know, and I'll try to do the best I can to put something up about it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.